Hi everyone, I'm going to have a look at example 3 now, and this one is 1 3/4 divided by 7/8. I've put here in a text box the idea of division I'm going to use to make sense of this one. I'm thinking about how many groups of 7/8 are in 1 3/4. Now I could do this with fraction bars or circles like I've done already, but just to do something different, I'm going to try this idea on a number line. And I'm noticing that these denominators are nice and compatible. And what I mean by that is I can put fourths and eighths on the same number line and it's not going to look messy or difficult to decipher. There's exactly 2/8 in every fourth. So that number line will be nice and easy to see. I can find a number line at Polypad or at Math Learning Center apps, but this is a nice one too and allows me to show fractions and customize to get the exact number line that I like. I'm going to start at 0 and end at 2, and I want 16 partitions here, and I don't want decimals. I'm looking for fractions. You can see here now that it's using 16 just because I asked for 16 partitions. I can click over here where it says simplified, and this will give me exactly what I want. Do you see here, instead of going 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, it's showing each spot in its simplest form. I know each jump here is going to be 1/8, but 1/8 2/8 is the exact same as 1/4. So it's going to show its simplest form. So along here, I can see my 1 3/4. I can count back 7 spaces, and that'll be my 7/8. So I'm going to take this picture, and I'm going to bring it back to my slide. I'm going to copy that image, go back to my slide, and put it in. I'm going to crop that a little bit. And I'm going to use, some arrow tools right here in my Shapes menu. All right, so the arrow that I like the best is over here with arrows, and this one kind of looks like the jump that I want. And when I draw it here, I'm going to have it go the other direction, and I'm going to alter it a little bit and maybe make it easier to see. And I'm going to start at 1 3/4 and go 7/8. So each little jump here is an eighth. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/8. And I actually get to 7/8, which is interesting. I need 2 of those, so I just made a copy, and I'm going to take this one and put it end-to-end with the other. So I can see that how many groups of 7/8 are in 1 3/4? There's exactly 2. So I can use my text box to put that here and write a sentence here as well to show my understanding. And there you have it. I'd love to see what you make.